सगळेच जा माझ्यासकट. Now next one is experiment number 2, use of analog multimeter. You know what is analog meter? Analog multimeter, you know what is the meaning of analog meter, why it is called as analog meter, and analog meter कैसे रहता है आपको समझ में आया सबको अभी. Now next thing is what, by using this analog meter, here you have to find out the error. Now how to find out the error? Experiment is same as to previous one. Now see here observation table. First of all we'll see observation table is what, see this is voltage measurement. First observation table is voltage measurement. Same thing, see first column, in first column actual voltage given by power supply in volt. Actual voltage given by power supply in terms of volt, this is my 6 volt. मैंने यहाँ पे एडजस्ट किया है 6 वोल्ट. देन सिंपली नोट डाउन मेजर वोल्टेज विथ वोल्ट मीटर इन वोल्ट. नाउ दिस इज द रीडिंग. जैसे पहले अपन ने एक्सपेरिमेंट किया है सेम एज टू दिस एक्सपेरिमेंट इज देयर. सिंपली यू हैव टू ऐड हियर वन कॉलम and in that column you have to find out what is the error. Error is nothing but difference of these two. Now this is 6 and it is not exactly equals to 6, means of course there is some error, and this error you have to find out here in first observation table. Now similarly you can adjust the different voltages from this power supply and note down on the analog multimeter and simply take the difference of these two, and that is nothing but my error. This is second experiment for voltage measurement. Now current measurement आपको नहीं करना है. Then next is resistance measurement. Now what is this resistance measurement? Resistance measurement means see here this is one resistor. By using color code you have to find out what is the value of this and write down in column number 1. कॉलम 1 में आपको जो भी रेजिस्टर की वैल्यू है बाय यूजिंग कलर कोड से आपको फाइंड आउट करनी है. एंड हाउ टू फाइंड आउट दिस? सी माय फर्स्ट कलर इज रेड. रेड इज नंबर 2. देन सेकेंड कलर इज ब्लैक इज 0. and my third digit is brown, means 1. Therefore first digit, second digit and 10 raised to power third digit, and my calculation becomes here 200 ohm. Means here this is one sample of 200 ohm resistor. By using color code you have to find out the value of this resistor and write down here in serial number 1. Then second thing, measure resistance using ohm meter in ohm. Now see मैंने कैलकुलेट किया थियोरेटिकल वैल्यू इसका 200 ओम था, तो मैंने यहाँ पे 200 लिखा है. नाउ बाय यूजिंग डिजिटल मल्टीमीटर you have to find out, means you have to measure what is the value of this resistance, means what it is my measured value. And see adjust here, knob is adjust at the ohm because I am measuring now here resistance. Then measure the resistance here like this. See it is 197.4 ohm, but मैंने theoretically manually calculate किया है 200 ohm. Then again similarly you have to find out here what is the error. 200 ohm का एक resistor था. By using color code you have to find out resistance and you have to measure by using either analog meter or digital meter, means it is a ohm meter. Right now this multimeter acts as a ohm meter because my knob is at the ohm position, and you can measure the resistance. And see here my resistance is 197.4 or 3 something, means my error is 0.03 का error आ रहा है. That error you can find out. This is one sample. And see there are different value of resistors. By using color code you can find out the resistance value of this resistor, and same procedure by using multimeter you can measure the value of that resistance and simply take down the difference of these two. That is nothing but my error. And this is about experiment number 2. Any doubt? Okay, pause.